Is your Instagram Reels playback stuttering and ruining your scroll? Let's get those Reels performing smoothly again first. We need to check your app's data. Go to your phone settings, then find the application manager or apps list, locate Instagram, and tap on storage. Now tap on clear cache. This removes temporary files that can sometimes cause performance issues without deleting any of your personal data. For iPhone users, go to settings, then general, and iPhone storage. Find Instagram, tap on it, and then select Offload app. This will free up space and reinstall the app with a fresh start, keeping your data intact. Now let's head back into Instagram. Tap your profile picture in the bottom right, then the three horizontal lines in the top right corner to open the menu. From there, tap Settings, scroll down and tap on Account, then your activity. Within your activity, you'll see an option to download your information. While we aren't downloading it, simply tapping this can sometimes prompt the app to refresh its connection and clear minor glitches. If the lag persists, consider if your phone storage is critically low. Freeing up some space by deleting unused apps or large files can significantly improve your device's overall performance, and that includes your Instagram experience. Also, ensure you have a stable internet connection. A weak Wi-Fi or cellular signal can cause playback issues. Try moving closer to your router or switching between Wi-Fi and data to see if it makes a difference. With these steps, your Instagram Reels should be back to their smooth, entertaining best.